Exactly 2 years ago, I find myself having the love and passion for hiking. Hiking is a wonderful way to immerse yourself outdoors, transported by your own 2 feet and carrying only what you need at your back. You can discover the beauty of nature at whatever pace you're comfortable with. Months of hiking here in the Philippines, I think my perspective has changed, it widened, and it shifted. This video aims to show you that with a little planning and preparation, hiking is an activity that almost everyone can do. Hi, this is Juliet Gonzalez, and here, let me share with you some tips and glimpses of my favorite hobby. If you have dreamed of hiking and have yet to try it, well, it's time for you to go out there. Just follow these 3 steps. First, find a hiking partner. Second, choose a hike. Choose the mountain that you would like to hike. And number 3, but not the least, be prepared and gear up. Now let's talk about those 3 steps. First, find a hiking partner. If you have friends who hike, ask them to take you on a trek. Most people are happy to share their expertise. They let you borrow their gear and introduce newbies to their favorite trails. If you don't know any hikers, well, here in the Philippines, many do-it-yourself tours and travel Facebook groups are available where you can go as a solo joiner and meet new people. Usually, joining these events are budget-friendly and already includes necessary fees for the hiking event. Second one is choosing the hiking route or the mountain that you will be trekking with. There are several easy ways to find a hiking trail or mountain that will meet your needs. First, Facebook groups. Second, website, or even through word of mouth. Travel and tours are booming nowadays as the pandemic ceases. They offer all-inclusive tours. You just have to choose which mountain you would like to hike. And the third is gearing up. Well, the good thing about hiking is that you don't need a bunch of high-tech gear to get out there. With a few essential items for the trail and a sense of adventure, you're ready to head into the wilderness. First thing that you need to have, hiking footwear. Make sure it's comfortable and it's very long-lasting. You don't want your shoes to be broken during the hike. Next thing is what you wear. Choose clothing that is made of quick drying and avoid cotton type of wear. And of course, we need a backpack. You need a pack to carry your essentials and any extra gear. And make sure that your backpack is also durable and can hold your food and water for the trail. So, whether you've been hiking for years or you're gearing up for your first trek, it's always valuable to know the basic trail etiquette. And number 1 of these that you will commonly hear is leave no trace. What does this mean? It's the best practice we should follow to enjoy and protect our natural spaces. So, that's it for me today. I hope you learned something from this vlog. Let me know if you wish to join me on my next adventure. See ya and thank you for watching. Bye!